Today, we are going to talk about Gold IRA scams and what investors should watch for. If you've been researching Gold IRAs, you've probably come across a lot of companies offering to help you move your retirement savings into precious metals. But one thing that doesn't always get talked about clearly is this: not all Gold IRA offers are created equal.
And in some cases, investors get pressured into paying far more than they expected or making decisions based on misinformation. So in this video, we'll go over some of the most common Gold IRA red flags and what you should watch for before making any decisions. As I mentioned in my earlier videos, I started researching precious metals after making some costly investment mistakes. That experience taught me how important it is to slow down, ask questions, and understand what you're getting into before making financial decisions. The goal here is simple: to help you avoid common pitfalls and make more informed choices. So why do scams exist in this space? The Gold IRA space attracts a lot of attention because it combines two things: retirement savings and precious metals investing. Both these are areas where people are rightfully concerned about security and long-term stability. And that unfortunately also makes it easier for some companies to use high-pressure sales tactics or misleading claims. That doesn't mean all companies are bad, but we both know it only takes one bad egg. But it definitely means it's important to understand what to look for. I'm curious, if you've looked into Gold IRAs at all, have you noticed how different some of the offers and claims can be? I'd be interested to read your comments below. Now let's talk about common Gold IRA red flags. First, high-pressure sales tactics. One of the biggest warning signs is urgency. Statements like, "You need to act now," "This opportunity won't last," "The economy is about to collapse." These are designed to push quick decisions. Retirement decisions should be carefully researched, not rushed. Second, lack of fee transparency. Another red flag is when companies are unclear about fees. If you hear, "That will be disclosed in your signed agreement," it's time to look for another company. As we discussed in the previous video, Gold IRAs can include setup fees, annual custodian fees, storage fees, and dealer spreads. If a company avoids explaining these clearly, that's a signal to slow down and ask more questions. Third, overpriced metals.
Some investors unknowingly pay significantly more than market value for metals. This can happen through high dealer markups and collectible coins with large premiums. In some cases, the value of the metals would need to increase significantly just to break even. Understanding pricing and comparing options is very important. Before watching this, were you aware that pricing differences and markups can vary this much between providers? Fourth, free gold promotions. You may have seen ads offering free gold or bonus silver. These offers can sound appealing, but in many cases the cost is built into higher fees and higher metal prices. Remember, nothing is really free. So it's important to look at the total cost, not just the promotion. And lastly, misleading claims about safety. Be cautious of statements that suggest gold is completely safe or that it's the only secure investment. No investment is risk-free. Gold can play a role in diversifying your portfolio, but it's still important to view it as part of a broader strategy, not a guarantee.
Here's how to protect yourself. A few simple steps can help reduce risk. Take your time before making decisions. Compare multiple providers. Ask for a full breakdown of fees. Research pricing and market value. And avoid pressure-based sales conversations. Remember, the more informed you are, the easier it is to spot potential problems early. The key takeaway is that Gold IRAs can be a strong part of a retirement strategy. But like any financial decision, please be diligent and do your homework. Understanding the warning signs may help you avoid costly mistakes. When it comes to retirement decisions, what matters most to you? Safety, transparency, or long-term growth? If you're researching Gold IRAs or precious metals for retirement, there is plenty of research and company comparisons at preciousmetalreviews.com. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share for more content on precious metals, retirement diversification, and market insights.
Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.